guys, for those that you know me, you know I'm not a big fan of corporate America. And I did a little review a couple weeks ago about the Girl Scout cookie Frosty at Wendy's, which is basically they just take the cup and squirt it out in the edge of it and fill a bunch of chocolate ice cream in the middle of it, or chocolate Frosty, since it's basically not even ice cream. And with that said, I mean, you got Shamrock Shake, you got the Frosties with like different flavors and stuff, but I'm gonna say this: Dairy Queen and Wits, they are the masters of making the ice cream milkshake combinations between. So with that said, they used to do a Girl Scout Blizzard, but I guess they can't this year because I guess Wendy's owns that or whatever. So they came out with something called the Mint Cookie Blizzard. So with that said, I'm driving, I shouldn't be doing this, but we're gonna try it. Goes the whole way down to the bottom, unlike most McDonald's and Wendy's shit that it's just layered. Wow. Dairy Queen nailed it. Freaking nailed it. Oh my God, that is so good. So, that is my quick food review of the day. It's nothing special, it's just Dairy Queen, but man, I'm gonna tell you what, man, Dairy Queen and Wits always nails it, man, with the best mixtures of flavor and stuff. And damn, that's good. Just being me, sorry. Bye.